Good evening, everybody! It's Desiree again here. Tonight I'm going to show you guys how to cook Kaldereta. So, one of the putahi of Inamo. So, for the Kaldereta, we're going to use a 2.5 pounds of beef. We have the garlic here, the onion. Just a small onion is fine, but I prepare lots of garlic, so probably 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Atoyo or soy sauce, and 1.5 cup of tomato sauce, half cup of liver spread, half cup of tomato paste, 1 cup of water, and your choice of veggies. So I have green bell pepper here, potato, carrots, and then I have salt and pepper to taste. So for the first step, show you guys the simple step of Desiree again, okay? So, I'm gonna put the garlic. I'm gonna use my hands again. So, put the garlic, I'll put the onion, and I will put the beef, and then just a cup of water. Ta-da! And it's done! Put this like. Okay. Okay guys, so I already put the garlic, the onion, the beef, 1 cup of water, and then we're gonna put the soy sauce. So this is actually 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. It depends how you want it. So put it there, and then put the lid on. Okay, make sure this is sealed or closed, and then we'll put the pressure cook. This time we're just gonna put 20 minutes, and 20 minutes, and then we'll wait 20 minutes. Okay guys, so the timer is done. Make sure we release the pressure by doing this. Okay, let's wait. So now the pressure is all released. We can now open our Instant Pot. Ta-da! You can stir it first. See? There we go. Now, we're gonna put our veggies on it. Actually, I have 2 bay leaves in here, just for a taste. Put all the veggies in there. And then, our tomato sauce. Liver spread or liver paste, and our tomato paste. There. Now I have cheese here, but we're gonna put that later. So right now I'm gonna stir it. That's how it looks like right now. Ooh. There you go. So right now, you actually have a choice if you wanna use soup or broth. But this time I'm gonna use the pressure cook again. I'm just gonna pressure cook it for 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so after the 5 minutes pressure cook again, I just put it on the soup or broth. So now it's boiling. We can put our cheese now. So for all the people that want spicy, you can add sile or hot pepper, but this time I'm not gonna put it so the kids can eat it too. So I'm gonna put that away. Maybe I'll put some later. So put the cheese, lots of cheese, much better. Okay. So for all the people that wants like a little bit salty, you can add soy sauce or fish sauce, whatever you like, and then you can add more liver spread or tomato paste if you want more thicker. And then yeah, it's up to you, whatever, like how much pepper and salt you want to add in here. Okay, so I think we're ready to eat. Okay guys, so our caldereta is done. It's time to try it. I think it's still hot, but yes, I will try it. Kain na na! Thank you guys for watching. Bye!